Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to cancel the Thumbtack appointment. If you want to cancel the Thumbtack appointment but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now there are various processes of cancelling the appointment on the Thumbtack. The various steps include cancelling it from the website or cancelling it from the app. Now if you want to cancel it from the app, then you just need to make sure that you have installed the Thumbtack app on device, and if you don't know where to install it from, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So from here you just need to open the Thumbtack app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged into your account, you won't be able to cancel the Thumbtack appointment. So this is the home page of Thumbtack, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as at the very center of the screen. Now from here you need to click on the option of plans or go on the option of projects. So click on the option of plans, and here you will find the projects or the appointment that you have kept, and you may also find the projects or the appointments that you want to cancel. Now from here you need to click on the projects you want to cancel and look for the cancel appointment or the cancel project option. So currently I have no projects pending on it, so I won't be able to show you the option of that. So after doing all of it, you need to confirm the cancellation when prompted, and if you have already booked or paid for the service, then you need to check for any applicable cancellation policy and potential fees. And you may also cancel by contacting the professional, so you may simply talk with them and you may simply cancel your project. So that's it. That's how you can cancel the appointment on Thumbtack. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.